Meaning of entrepôt.
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 Entrepôt. Entrepôt refers to a commercial warehouse or trading post where goods are stored before being re-exported or sold. These establishments are typically located at ports or other transportation hubs, and may offer services such as customs clearance or packaging. As a result, entrepôts play an important role in international trade, facilitating the movement of goods between countries and helping to create economic growth and development. However, the rise of digital technologies and changes in global trade patterns have led to some shifts in the role and importance of traditional entrepôts over time.